Hey guys, welcome to my channel where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex using automation, using expert advisor or indicators or robots. Indicators is just indicating like whether the movement of the market, whether it is going up or down. Expert advisor means it advises you where at what point you need to buy or sell. Robot, why we call it robot? Because robot automates a trade, and it just don't suggest you, but it used to take the trades automatically itself based on the market conditions and based on the algorithm on which it is running on, right? So there are thousands of robots in the market, and hardly like there are just less than 0.5% of the robots that used to work. uh, so my endeavor is to find the right robot and the consistent and stable robot while during my testing and trading. So guys, welcome to my channel once again, and here we uploaded like few videos of the robots like Green Pips, Profit Maker, ILKS, Hedge Expert, Sniper Dog, I Am Millionaire at Trade Winning Master earlier. So this new robot that I'm talking about, EFTP, I have been trying and testing this robot since January, and I have been also testing uh, like more than 50-60 robots along with that, but somehow none of them succeeded or was in comparison to the EA that I uploaded the videos on earlier, right? But this new EA is pretty good. I have been trading this EA from last since February 2021. Okay, and it is a trend-based EFTP, and it works great on the H1 time frame. Mainly work on resistance and support to open the trades, and once the trend is confirmed, it used to go with the trend, but in case if the trend is not confirmed, it used to open buy and sell order initially, and then go with the trend once the trend is confirmed. And it uses a couple of indicators like ATR, Bollinger Bands, volatility ratio, MACD, CCI, RSI, and much more. And the most important, one of the most important thing is that it has an inbuilt news filter. So a couple of people ask me like what happened when such news is coming or something like that. So generally I don't uh, give it a specific thought about the news filter or about the news, because once a trend is confirmed, most of the robots used to work it accordingly, right? But this is an additional thing with this robot, that it has an inbuilt news filter. So whenever such incident happens about any specific special news or something like that, which can cause a lot of fluctuation, it don't react on those news, and I personally realized that it doesn't open any new trade at that moment just based on the news at that time, right? It used to wait after effect of the news, and once the trend is confirmed after that, then it used to open any kind of trade, not on the news, but after the news, after the effect of news, right? Okay. So I have been using this EA from January, and you can say it from February 2021 since start. And I have used this EA in multiple real and in demo account on many pairs. Okay, I generally don't run an EA just on one account, because there are a lot of things that you need to test. To test it on different time frames, you need to test on different pairs, you need to test on different the metals or maybe currency pair. There are more than 50 or 70, 100 currency pairs, right? So like it's doesn't make sense that you can run that you're running the EA on all of your account. I have around 20 to 25 account where I used to test the EAs, so I can't run it on all the accounts, right? And so I used to test on different brokers, because even different brokers used to provide different trading conditions, right? So different brokers, different pairs on different accounts, and on different time, like it's some from January, February, March, April, June, July, August, right? The different times on different accounts and different brokers, right? Okay, so I have already shared you few videos links in the description. I have uploaded a couple of videos last week, around five videos last week on the same EFTP on my real. Most of the accounts are real. Okay, and in each video I reviewed two of my accounts, whether they are for gold or either the currency pair, right? So I have also mentioned one Google Drive link where I have uploaded all the reports and the screenshot what I can gather for you to see whatever you can see in the video. Okay, during last weekend, this is not about this weekend. I mean, the last weekend itself, I have created that link, and that is there in the description. You can just check it out. I have already shared the screenshots and the reports. I mean, most of them are reports, but where those accounts are already in operation, on those account I have just provided you the screenshot. Otherwise, I have provided you the reports. Right? Okay. So let's go to. I'm not running this EA right now in many accounts. I'm just using it in one of my real account, and since it's not that long, like it is just like I started it last week, and because it's just on me, like it is my personal account, it is my real account, so like it just depend on me, like how much money I have, and for how long I would like to keep this year running, or whether I would like to withdraw or deposit, whatever, right? But this is the only account where I'm running this year right now, so whether it is of short duration or like whatever, you can just look into it, right? Okay. So from 24th of September, 24th of August, and today is 3rd of September. So I'm not talking about bigger profits or something. I'm just talking about just to see the kind of trades it is opening with a lot size, or maybe I mean buy and sell both. Like you can see, like it's not just a buy is going in one direction or the sell, right? So it is buy and sell both. As I said that it's based on the trend. So we made $171 on 1447. That is more than 10%. I mean, it's around 12% or something like that in 2 weeks, right? So I'm happy with it. Maybe if you are trying this robot for 1,000 US dollars, on 1,000, it is going to be 17%, right? In 1 week. However, since it's my real account, I used to be on the safer side. I used to trade with 1,200 to 1,500 at least for one currency pair, and when I increase my amount or the account size, then probably I may increase another pair. Apart from this, it's not just like that I will increase a lot size. It is my personal opinion that it's better to open another pair, right, and rather you increase the lot size in one pair. It is my personal choice. So since it's my personal account, maybe like I need to withdraw some money next week, so I may withdraw some money. But as of now, this is the account that I'm running right now, and I have already shown you like multiple accounts like that I'm running every month. It is for August. Like I may have shown some I mean reports and screenshots of many of my accounts that are running in June, July, August. I mean all of them from Feb onwards. Okay, so you can check the link, and it has all the details and the screenshots and the reports. Okay, so let's go to another account of mine. This is a demo account, guys. I would not lie from you. So this is right. Okay, so just ignore the GBP JPY thing, because it was just by mistake, and hence I close these two orders myself manually. Okay, after that we started with 0.03 lot on gold. Okay, and later on I increased it from 0.03 to 0.05, then 0.06, then 0.09, then 0.12, right? So it is all I have done gradually as my balance was increased. However, I don't prefer it, and I personally don't prefer to trade with gold, because trading with gold, metal and currency pair, both are two different things, and both have different values as well, and hence they cause the same I mean very different kind of fluctuation when anything happens against the trade that you have already taken. So it makes a huge difference. So I personally I mean don't prefer to trade on gold, but since I have to show it to you like how this is working, so let me show it with you. I started with 0.03, and gradually I have increased it to 0.03, then 0.04, then 0.06, then 0.08, then 0.09, or something like that. You can just see it over here. Okay, it is 0.03. I don't prefer to trade with any currency pair for less than 1,200 to 1,500, and it's gold, so I generally like 3,000 US dollars for 0.01 lot. So it is 0.03 as of now, right? can see it just 0.03 here, and later on I have increased it. I remember I have increased the lot size later on. So now it's 0.04, the basic lot size. Okay, 0.04 here. Okay, and after that the 0.04 lot size has been increased. Not has been increased, I have increased. Like, it's not that like it has increased, like the basic lot size that I'm talking about, that that has been put by you manually, right? It is 0.04 as of now, and now it's it's still 0.04. Okay, it's still 0.04. So now it's 0.06. You can see, like, the basic lot size I have increased from 0.04 to 0.06 now. So all the trades are taking from 0.06. Okay, and after 0.06 I have increased the lot size again after some time as my balance has increased, but I don't recommend, or I don't prefer it to do it in the real account. Now it is 0.06 the same. Okay, now the basic lot size is 0.08. Okay, 0.08. Now the lot size has been 0.09, from 0.08 now 0.09, then I have increased it to 0.12 later. It's still 0.09. I think I've increased it to 0.12 later. I personally don't prefer, guys, like even on gold, like 0.01 itself is a good number if you're trading gold, unless and until you have billions of dollars or millions of dollars in your account, right? I mean, generally for 2000, 3000, 4000 US dollar account, I generally trade with zero point 0. Now the lot size has been increased to 0.12. Okay, just keep in mind, whatever the lot size, that the increased lot size you see, it is from the basic from 0.12. From 0.12 is started to other lot size. Personally, like, I feel it's better to trade on currency pair, but for the people like who love to trade on gold, this EA could be a very good option, because it now the lot size has been increased from 0.12 to 0.15, as you can see, right? So this is what we started it from 21st of April or 20th of April, and till 10th of June, 9th of June in fact. And I mean, I think like for 3000, I mean, for the 0.03 lot we started with 3000 or something like that, 3000 or 4000, whatever, right? And this is what the account number is. It's like it has given a lot of profit, however, like we have taken a lot of risk as well, because 0.15, the basic lot, I mean, generally, like if it happens to be my real account, I would have traded on 0.15 for not less than 50,000 US dollars in my real account. But since it was my demo account, so I mean, it doesn't matter. However, I had to increase the lot size to see like how it performs while increasing the lot size. So this is just for around 1 month, like 1.5 month, and I have provided you other account details also for different currency paired on different kind of broker accounts, right? And I don't used to keep running one EA on one account all the time, whether it is real or demo. On demo I have to test other robots as well, so I used to clean all the things, because I have to replace it with another robot to test. And on my personal account, I generally don't prefer to trade continuously. As I said in my previous videos, don't overtrade. So like whenever I think that I have made some kind of good profit and I need it, I used to withdraw and I quit the trading for some time, then I used to trade later again. Okay, so this is what I had to share, that how it performs on currency pair as well as metal both. I have just traded it on gold, but it used to work well with other metals as well. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. And uh, so The details and the reports are there in the description. You can just click on that link and you will find all the reports and the screenshots there. And I have provided you the links of my previous videos that I have uploaded last week, where you can check each of the video where I have uploaded, and I have shown the result of at least 2 of my accounts, and most of the accounts are real. And so that's pretty much it, guys. This is the only thing that I have to show it for today. uh, my request is to choose the right strategy, whether you are trading it through EA or whether you are trading it manually, and be practical and have patience. And if you are not using an EA and trading for yourself, then be disciplined and trade as with the market, and accept your mistakes and learn and move on. It's not that you stick to just one strategy. In case if that failed, then learn it from your mistake, learn then and move on. Okay, so you don't repeat the same mistake again with the strategy that you're using manually. Okay, and I believe like a small growth is good rather than you immediately increase your balance, and somehow you just lost your account in just 1 hour. Like, it's better to go gradually rather you just blow off your account in just 1 hour. So slow but consistent growth is what I believe on. It is not something that you need to agree on, and don't overtrade, as I mentioned you. And like, if you have already made some profit, whether you are using any EA or whether you are trading manually, if you have already done some kind of profit, and if you need it, just withdraw, quit trade for a few days, and then start afresh, whether you are using any EA or. It is what that I used to do. It is not something that you need to agree on. Okay, and risk versus money management is very important, right? And trade with the strategy or the EA or like whatever that you're confident with. It is not something that you see other people are comfortable with. Trade with something that you are comfortable and confident with, and make your trading plan and goal on paper. It is not something that you just be flexible on. Like, it is something that, oh, I have already made a profit of 50, okay, let's go for 10 or $15 more. So don't do that. Just make a trading plan and stick to it, and manage your risk based on your capital and your personality, at how much risk you can take and how much risk or the loss you can accept, and what is your profit expectation. Just quit after that and take some kind of rest, take a good sleep, and then start fresh again. Okay, so this is my personal opinion, guys, and that I wanted to share with you. And in case if you have any question or any query about this EA, you can reach me through Telegram or email. The contact methods are already mentioned in the description. And so that's pretty much it, guys. So today is Friday, so enjoy your weekend. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. Look forward to connect with you soon.